morning students. How are you all? Yes, in previous period we just introduced the lesson what do animals eat. In that animals are categorized in three groups which are herbivores, then carnivores and omnivores. So according to their eating habits the animals are categorized what type of food they eat. According to that they are classified into these three groups: herbivorous, carnivorous and the omnivorous. In previous period we discussed about the herbivorous. What are the herbivorous animals? How are their teeth? Which process they follow? So the herbivorous animals means they are plant eater. Those animals eat plants or the parts of the plants. They are called the herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals have flat front teeth. In cows, buffalo, goat, they first swallow the food and after some time again return back into their mouth and they chew very finely, and this process is known as the chewing the cud. This process is known as the chewing the cud. Which animals follows? Cow, goat, buffalo. Now another one, rabbit, then squirrel. They also eat the nuts or vegetables. So they chew their food or cut their food very repeatedly with the help of their front teeth. Their front teeth are very sharp and this process is known as the gnaw. Yes, this we discussed in previous period. In today's period we discuss about the carnivorous. Which animals you call the carnivorous? Which type of their teeth? How they kill other animals? How they take their food? So this discussed in today's period. Similarly, in today's period we discuss about the omnivorous also. Now, see students, carnivorous means what? They kill the other animals and take their food. Carnivorous means they feed on the other animals. They are not eating the plants. They just kill the other animals and they take their food. It may be insects, it may be the wild animals, it may be the birds. So those are eating the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivorous animals. Now see, carnivorous animals, they are having sharp teeth. Their teeth are sharp. Why? To tear the flesh, because they kill the other animals. They eat the flesh of other animals. So that's why their teeth are sharp to tear the flesh. Their eyesight is good. Why? Because they run after the prey. They catch the prey. So that's why their eyesight is very much good. They are having the strong limbs with sharp claws. What is meant by claws? On their foot they are having the sharp claws. For what purpose? They hold the prey. And with the help of these strong limbs they run faster. They run behind the prey with the help of these strong limbs, and they are having the sharp claws to hold the prey, or it helps to tear the prey or tear the flesh, and they are having the strong jaws also. Why? Because they are the carnivorous. They eat the flesh of other animals. Now see students, in lion, tiger, they kill the other animals. So their teeth are sharp. They are having the good eyesight. They are having the strong limbs. They are sharp claws also, and their jaws are also the strong. They kill the other animals and eat the flesh of that animals. Then some snake. Yes, all might be seen the snake. All snakes are the carnivorous. All type of snakes, they are the carnivorous. How they eat? Snake just swallow their food. They swallow their food, whatever eat. Some animals, then eggs of the birds they eat. Who? Snakes. They swallow their food. They are the carnivorous. Now some birds. Birds, which type of birds? Eagle, vulture, then kite. They are also the carnivorous. They are also having the strong, sharp claws. Why? To tear the flesh. They hold the prey with the help of these claws and with the help of their beak. They tear the flesh. They also having the good eyesight because when they are flying in the sky, so they observe the ground sides their prey and they catch the prey. Now some fishes, some fish like shark. Shark is the one of the carnivorous. So they are always live in the water. So they eat on the water animals. Some small fish also they eat. They also swallow it. Then some insects like dragonfly. Yes, dragonfly always feed on the mosquitoes. They eat the mosquito. If you found the dragonfly, so dragonfly feed on the mosquitoes, other small mosquitoes, other small insects like mosquitoes. So dragonfly is also the carnivorous. Then another one is the ladybird beetles. See students, this ladybird beetle is an insect. It is the carnivorous. So what it did? The ladybird beetle, it eat the insects whatever damage the crops. So that's why it is the friend of the farmer. Might be you knows that earthworm is the friend of the farmer. Yes, like this ladybird beetle, which insects? Ladybird beetle, it is also the friend of the farmer. Why? Because it eats the insects which damage the crops. That's why this ladybird beetle is known as the friend of the farmer. Then another one is frog. If you observe the frog, yes, anyone? How its tongue? Seen or not? See students, in our mouth we are also having the tongue. But how is our tongue? It sticks to back side and our front side tongue is open. But in the frog, it is vice versa. In the frog, how its tongue? The frog's tongue is stick to front side and its back side tongue is open. So what they did while they seen the prey, when they spot out the prey, they stick out their tongue out from the mouth because their front tongue is joined and back tongue is just roll in their mouth. So they take out their tongue outside and they catch the prey. Then again it's roll down the tongue and take back into their mouth. In which type of animals? In the frog. Why? Because their front tongue is joined and their back tongue is open. So this is about the carnivorous animals. Now another one is the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous means what? That day just I given an idea. Which animals we call the omnivorous? When we written down some animals name. Which animals? Yes. Peacock, then fox, bear, some pet dogs also. Pet dogs means the dogs whatever found in your house, not at jungle, not at forest. Those dogs also the omnivorous animals. Hens also. So sparrow, what they did? These omnivorous animals, they feed on plants as well as other insects, flesh of other animals. Means omnivorous, they feed on both plant plus flesh. These are known as the omnivorous animals. Now see students, this peacock, then hen, then sparrow, then this fox, bear, they eat some plants also and they feed on the insects also. This peacock, if you found hen at your home, if you found, so just they drag the soil, they poach and then they take out the insects from the soil. So these are the omnivorous animals. Apart from these, some animals they are having the different feeding habits. Which are? Yes, if you observe the dog or you observe the cat, how they take their food? Anyone can tell me? Yes. So if you observe the dog or the cat, how they take their food? See students, if you give them water or milk, any liquid, yes, to whom? Dog or cat. So how they just take out their tongue out from their mouth and they lap that liquid. They lap up the food. So this process or their eating habit is lapping. This is known as the lapping. Which animals they did? Dog and the cat. They lap up the liquid or lap up the milk or the water. Then another one is insects. Bee. Yes, you seen. Then mosquito. So how they feed? See student, bees, butterflies, they collect the sweet part of the plant, sweet liquid part of the plant, which is known as the nectar. We seen in the previous chapter, that is parts of the plant. What is the nectar? So these bees, then butterflies, they feed on the nectar. These mosquitoes, you all might be known, they suck the blood from our body. But how they do this? So for that, they are having a very small thin tube attached to their mouth. These bees, mosquitoes, then these butterflies, they are having very thin tube attached to their mouth, and with the help of this tube, they suck the blood from our body, they suck the nectar from the flowers, and this is known as the proboscis. This thin tube is known as the proboscis, in which insects it is found? Bees, mosquitoes, then butterflies. This is all about our lesson. Now see students, apart from this, all animals, they need the water also. They are eating the food, but with the food, they need the water also, and all animals get water from their surrounding. So this is about the lesson, about our chapter. Once we recall it, which one? Herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. These three types of animals, three kinds of animals are found according to their eating habit. In carnivorous, they are having the sharp front teeth, they are having the sharp strong jaws, their eyesight are strong, they are having the strong limbs with very sharp claws. So all these characters help them to catch their prey and eat the flesh of that animals. Now in frog what is happened? In frog, their back tongue is open and front tongue is joined. So they spot out the prey, they catch the prey, roll the tongue and take it into their mouth. Snake, they swallow, they whole prey they swallow. Then birds, they are also having the very strong eyesight. Those are the carnivorous. Then another type is omnivorous. Omnivorous, they eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals such as peacock, fox, bear, some insects also. So this is about the lesson. Then dog and cat, they lap up the liquid, and these bees, mosquitoes, butterflies, they are having the thin tube attached to their mouth. With the help of this tube, they suck their